Hi, everyone. Today we have some exciting news to share with you. And today we have Dan Laver over at Cross Country Mortgage with an update. So Dan, what happened with this LLPA thing?
Yeah, Dave, it is gone, wiped out, and I'm super excited. This is going to be super helpful for home buyers, anybody thinking about selling that was going to get hit with this, and just the market in general.
So how did it come about?
Yeah, so the Mortgage Banking Association and the National Association of Real Estate Agents, they got together and they really expressed their concerns for this, and we were heard. They unanimously turned this back. It was something that was going to go into effect towards the end of the year, and now it just got reversed. So it really shows that the FHFA is open to hearing our point of view on this.
So the removal is good for buyers and sellers. So what makes this good for the buyer and the seller?
Yeah, so for buyers, it's going to take off a lot of pressure of them on their personal budget, especially if they're getting them to their first property. A lot of them tend to be in this range with where interest rates are, so it's going to make their interest rate less expensive for sure. Then for sellers, it's always nice to buy after you sell. So when they're looking at getting into an upsized property where this might push them into that debt to income range, it's going to take that pressure off of them too.
And always, if you have any questions about buying, selling, or investing in real estate, our information will be in the description. And if you like these videos, like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll keep them coming to you. Thanks for your time today, Dan.
Hey, thanks for having me, Dave. Appreciate it.
All right. See you later.